Ang binayaran ko, $32.80. My God, napakamahal.
Tapos na ang 8 oras.
What's up, boys and girls?
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 What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy, Randy Boy. Morning, boys and girls. It's your boy, Randy Boy. Ang oras ngayon ay 7:15. At ang weather ngayon ay napakaganda. Siyang snow, boys and girls. Tingnan nyo naman. Matindi na ang init ng araw. Sabi ng weather ngayon ay mamaya magpa-plus na siya. Ngayon kasi since maaga pa kaya negative pa siya. So ngayon, susubukan naming take over vlog ba yung tawag doon? Papakita namin sa inyo, boys and girls, yung aming mga daily lives. Yan, tulad ngayon, umaga, naka-prepare na si Ona. Yan. Yan. At si Naomi, hi Naomi. Kasi Friday ngayon, nagluluto si Ona ng baon ni Naomi. Tapos ang unang-unang gumigising talaga pag kami pasok, yung mga bata, si Ona, kasi pinaprepare niya yung mga food ng mga bata. Tapos si Ross, nasa CR na. Sunod si Ross. After ni Ross, si Naomi naman. Ako kanina nagising na ako ng 6:30 nung kasabay ni Ona. Kaso nga lang, nung nag-CR ako, pagbalik ko sa kama, napapikit ulit ako. So, ginising na ako ni Ona mga 7. Kasi, yan, ini-start ko pa yung sasakyan kasi frozen pa siya. Kahit pa paano. Panoorin nyo, boys and girls, kung ano ang ginagawa namin everyday.
Me and Naomi are just walking to the bus stop right now, ready to get the day going. Naomi, hi ka.
This is a party.
Bye, Naomi. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. I've just arrived at school, and if the library's open today, I'll be there for a bit. Maybe catch up on some work, or just relax before the first class. Bukas yung library. Doon tayo sa pinakalikod. Grade 9. What about you? 11? Oh. Yeah, you look younger.
Frozen, boys and girls. Buti na lang na-start na natin siya ng mga 5 minutes kanina. Yeah. Bigyan natin si Ona.
First class of the day, we got math. So the second class, we got Genius Hour. Let's go.
Yun, time check. Ano oras na? 8:44. Nihatid ako ni na ate at ni Rain sa aking work. At kasi ngayon ay merong job interview si Rain. Good luck. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-pray, Rain, ha? Bago makipag-usap doon sa mag-interview sa'yo. Ayan. At si ate May, anong oras pasok mo, May?
5 p.m.
5 PM pa. So, good luck and balitaan nyo ako kung anong result. Tapos pagkatapos ng interview, diretso ka na sa school, di ba? Yeah. Okay.
Think that you might get that post if you don't know quite where you.
What's up, boys and girls? So we're currently at the gym. Break time muna, water break.
On to the next. We got gym. My personal favorite. Sa kabilang side pa yung gym, kaya ito na yung warm up ko. Sa baba yung mga grade 9, tapos dito yung mga grade 10. May burger mamaya. Saka putin. Lunchtime, gonna play some basketball before heading back to class.
Tapos yung social, block 2. It's lunchtime. Pero pumunta ako sa library kasi this is where I'm usually at during lunchtime. I usually sleep. I either sleep or do work. Today I'm gonna do work kasi it's a Friday and I don't want to bring home any schoolwork. So itong laptop pala sa school to galing. They provide laptops, Chromebooks in tawag. You can borrow it sa office. I'm trying to talk as quietly as I can kasi nasa library ako. So this is what I'm doing. Catching up sa social. And I'm still catching up kasi I'm 2 units behind. Pero like, even though it's been like 2 weeks since I've started, I'm still catching up kasi ganun siya kadami. So, yeah, kaya ako lagi nasa library to lunch. Kasi I'm doing work. I think the interview went well. Sana. After interview, I'm not officially hired yet, pero ang sabi nila, gonna email me something, like parang orientation, and I have to answer it. And I feel like naman mabasa yung finals nila if they want to hire me or not. So, hopefully, I get accepted. Prayed for it. But like still, hopefully I get it because I need a job. I need money. Time to leave. Tapos na yung lunch. Gym class naman next. Let's go.
What's up, boys and girls? It's your girl, on a girl. Lunch ko ngayon, ito, snacks lang ako kasi 30 minutes lang yung break ko. So, yun. Mamaya na lang ako kakain sa bahay pagkadating doon. Kakain ako kanin. So, yan. Ito yung aming lunchroom dito ng mga employees. Yan. Tapos yan, kung makikita nyo sa likod ko, may mga locker. Pwede ka magsabit dyan. Mga jacket mo. Yung mga bags, pwede mo iwan dyan. Tapos meron pa kami isang room doon sa kabila. pwede rin siya. May CR doon. Pang girls, merong pang boys. Tapos may mga lockers din. Mas magaganda. Pero ako kasi dito na lang okay na ako. Yan. Ayun, dito na ako. Kasi hindi ako pwede mag-video doon sa work. So, dito lang ako nag-video sa lunchroom. Ayan. Sakto wala nga tao eh. Diba? Solo ko. Kain tayo. Tapos may coffee akong baon. Kapeng Barako yan. Batangas. Shout out, Mami. Salamat sa kape. And Ate Lenny. Kuya Teng. And Daddy Norby. Thank you so much. Hanggang ngayon, diba, may kape pa. Barako yan. So, yun. Boys and girls, tapos na yung 30 minutes break ko. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo pag pauwi na ako.
What's up, boys and girls? It's me, May. And right now, mag-isa lang po tayo sa bahay. Yes, very home alone to ang peg natin today. Because si Mami, si Daddy nasa work. Si Rain, si Rose nasa school. And si Naomi nasa school. And ako po nandito sa bahay because my work starts not until 5 p.m. So, ang shift ko po today is 5 to 10:30 p.m. It's just gonna be a short shift. So, yeah, it's just gonna be a quick vlog for me. So, ayun nga po, hinatid lang natin si Rain kanina sa interview niya sa McDonald's. Umuwi, nag-shower, nag-prepare. Ito na. Ito na tayo. Ito na po yun. Char. So, mamaya, siguro pag nag-assemble na sila dito sa bahay, yun na po yung cue natin na kailangan na natin mag-work. Ayun, alam niyo na po yung mga night shift dyan. Siguro some of you can relate, di ba? Mga uwian, mga 10 p.m. Closing, 12:30 a.m. So, ayun, I'll try my best to film sa workplace ko po. Pero, we'll see from there. Because the family plan na, okay, ito yung araw na mag-vlog tayong lahat to see each other's perspective. And we had a comment from this subscriber. Shout out to you po because so someone suggested this type of vlog, so why not try and show. And usually before I go to work I edit the vlog, but nasa work si Daddy and he has his phone so we can edit the vlog. But on a typical day, that's what I do before I go to work. Hindi ko po alam kung anong magiging flow nung ambag ko po dito sa vlog namin, but we'll see later.
Girl, I'm out. So yan, ito yung back. Dito yan, yung back. Diyan o. Diyan kami pumapasok sa back. Yan. So pauwi na tayo. Init. Buti na lang din, maano to, malapit yung ito, walking distance lang to sa bahay na inuupahan namin. So, tapos na ang 8 oras. Yung araw na to, di ba? Naka-8 oras din. Shoutout kay Boss Alvin sa matagang pagtuturo sa akin. Everyday, may natututunan tayo, no, sa work kasi. Syempre, bago pa lang. Maraming salamat. Boss Alvin.
Hi guys. So, ayun nga, tumawag si Mami, nagpapasundo. Mag-update pa lang sana ako ng whereabouts ng family.
Lock the doors, syempre.
Hi! Tinatahulan tayo, boys and girls. Sorry. So, punta po tayo sa co-op. Para ay, ano ba? Para sunduin si Mother. Let's go! Hirap pala nito, ah. Paano nyo po nagagawa tong vlog na to? Oh my goodness, nasira yung natanggal to. Dito nakalagay yung phone ni Daddy pag nagbo-vlog. Talaga naman, oh. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kasikat yung araw. Pero it's cold. I mean, like, it's not that cold. Pero like, tama lang yung weather para tumambay. So like, di mo na napapansin, umiitim ka na pala. Hi there. I just wanted to let you know how I'll be able to ride the bus all the time.
Oh,
In the
okay,
morning?
just from time to time.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I have a spare first lock. So.
Oh, I see. Okay,
Yeah.
that
I just
works
wanted
fine.
to-
But Naomi's doing really well on her own. Yeah, so it's all good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Isa ka.
Nagpunta ka mag-isa mo? Yeah. How was school, Naomi?
Okay.
School's over, so it's time to catch the bus, head back home. Let's go. Hindi ko na vlog yung last 4 blocks. Nakuha yung cellphone ko. Nakita ko ginagamit yung cellphone sa classroom. Bahay na kami nila Ate Rain. Ligo lang ako, palit, tas kain, tas punta na tayo gym.
Kain after school. Luto ni Randy Boy. Chicken tenders. Yan, after school, kain si Naomi. Diretso ligo. Bata. Ako din maliligo na ulit.
Ito ang pre-workout natin para di mahilo sa gym. Luto ako egg kasi boring pag menudo lang. Egg, menudo rice, plus watermelon na may asin. Kain.
Okay, we're outside. We're outside. Ayan na nga po. So right now, it's 4:45 and punta na po tayo sa work. My work is just 2 minutes away from the house. Pero we're leaving early because I have to drop by somewhere before I go to work. And syempre, ahead of time dapat dumadating. Uy, kala mo talaga always be late. Okay, touchdown! So, ayan, sa front ako nag-park for this vlog. So, ayan, that's where I work, Griller's Kitchen Bar. And I usually park at the back, pero for this, kaso pag sa likod ako dumaan, behind the scenes yung makikita. So, just to get a look of what the restaurant looks like, I'll go from the front. So, welcome! Welcome! Smoking area. So, here's looks like. The kitchen area. So, dito kami tumatambay.
Tapos ko lang kumain. Mga 15 to 10 minutes ago. Punta na tayo gym. Malapit lang naman yung gym. Tapos warm naman yung weather kaya bibiken na lang natin. Gym na. Nakalock na yung bike. Pasok na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa gym. Uwi na. Sakto, hindi pa dumidilim.
Tapos lang natin pumasok, boys and girls, no? Kinuha natin yung sasakyan kanina dun sa work ni Ate Shamay. Tapos ngayon magpapakarwash tayo dito. Ewan kung kita nyo, no? Yan, medyo matindi kasi yung araw ngayon. At kita nyo naman nasa harapan ko sa sasakyan, napakadumi. Kasi patapos na talaga yung winter at nakapila. Siguro mga nasa 15 minutes na ako nakapila dito, no? Nag-aantay ng aking moment para maglinis ng sasakyan. Yun, tayo na. So ganito pala siya. Pindot-pindot lang, tapos may ticket siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin. Doon kaya ata magbabayad. Per hour kasi ito, per minute ang bayad. Yun, natapos na tayo, boys and girls. Pero parang ayaw ko na magpa-carwash dito kasi ang binayaran ko $32.80. My God, napakamahal. Paano ba malalaman kung ba't ganun ako katagal? 18 minutes ako. Ayan, 18 minutes. Ayan. So, patay. Hindi siya tulad kasi, akala ko kasi Kasi sa Spruce Grove, nagpapa-car wash ako. Ang ginagastos ko lang $8 sa ganitong all-in na. Pa-relax pa naman ako. Yung pala ngayon. Kasi yung $8 na yun, isang pressure washer, tapos foam brush, tapos pressure washer ulit, 2 beses. Bali $2 kasi kada isang mga parang 2 minutes eh. Or 1 minute something. $32. Yun lang. Kailangan lagi malinis pala sasakyan. Okay, ikaw na lang maglinis ng sasakyan mo dito sa Rocky Mountain House.
What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy, Randy Boy. Nakauwi pa lang ako sa school, guys. Naligo pa lang ako. Nalaro ako sa monkey bars. Nalaro sa playground. Nasulat-sulat sa loob ng classroom. Tapos, nakakain ako banana. Tapos, tablet ako, tas ayan na. Tas paggabi na, natulog ako, tas pagbukas wala pa din pasok, hindi pa din ako sighted. Si Kuya Ros sighted pag wala pasok. Pag may pasok, hindi sighted si Kuya Ros po.
Tapos na tayo sa gym. Si Randy Boy.
What's up?
Ligo lang ako, tapos na ako.
I just woke up. Hi guys, kakagising ko lang. Nakatulog ako after school. After ko maligo. Di ko na videoan. Dito ako sa labas. Kasi maglalaba ako. Nasa baba yung washing machine namin. So this is the flight of stairs that you have to go through in order to go sa laundry area namin. Which is, I'm gonna show you. Yan. Ay, kanino kaya to? Kay Naomi. Ay. So like medyo hassle siya pag like may snow. Pero ngayon spring naman na, wala na. Buti walang deer. So, ito yung washer, tapos ito yung dryer. Tapos nasa basement siya. May nakatirang iba. And like, halo yung... Like, it's the same machine na ginagamit niya. But, that's alright. Kasi tumingin kami apartment. And yung laundry area nila, isa lang sa buong apartment. Or like, meron din. May laundry area, pero per level, it's still a hassle. This is better, so... Kakatapos ko lang magsalang. That takes 1 hour. Ito, 15. So, yan, dark.
So, I'm currently on my break and we're having steak bites. Sorry, nabawasan ko na bago ko naisip mag-video. It's just steak bites with ranch. And I'm having Pepsi. We have a 30-minute break. So. What's up, boys and girls? I'm back. So I'm currently about to end my shift right now, and I'm here at the back, and I'm about to do some paperwork and cash out to see how much we made in tips and how much our sales are for today. Right now I am seeing 1:30 TMI. I had to make like 12 old-fashioned drinks. I don't know if you guys know old-fashioned. It was my first time making an old-fashioned, and I think that guy liked it. So I think that's good news, diba? But like, it's fun to make drinks if yun lang yung kailangan mong gawin. But earlier, I was like handling like 5 tables. Every time like I put their drink down, like every like 5 minutes, they want another one. So apparently today was drink day.
I had so many drink orders today, but it was fun. I had a good experience, good learnings. Dami kong natutunan sa drinks. And the flow on how to handle multiple tables at the same time. So, see you guys later on my way home or at home. We'll see you from there. Okay, so I'm here at the back. Okay, that's it for me today. I'm just gonna go home, clean up, wash up, and sleep. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next vlog.